I'm Patti here at the Sheridan County Library, here to share a great story about birds who make nests. And this is by author Michael Garland. Birds make nests. And these are painted bunting. This is the male, and that's the female in their nest. Some nests are high. That's an osprey. Some nests are low. And that's an Australian pelican. These nests are shaped like cups. This is a northern cardinal and a ruby-throated hummingbird on this page. These nests are shaped like mounds. And this is an American flamingo. Some birds make nests on the ground, an ostrich. Some birds make nests in holes in trees. And this is a great horned owl. Some birds make nests in burrows on grassy slopes. And that's an Atlantic puffin. Some birds make nests that hang. This bird makes its nest with grass and animal hair. The hole is at the top. And that's a Baltimore Oriole. This bird makes its nest with sticks and leaves. The hole is at the bottom. And this is called a verdin. This bird uses mud to close a hole in the tree. The female stays in the tree. The male has to feed her. And this is called a great hornbill. This bird uses a snake skin to keep predators away. And that is a great crested flycatcher. I think if its snake skin's there, the other animals won't bother it. These birds make one big nest, and they're called sociable weavers. But some birds don't make nests. This bird lays its egg in other birds' nests. Brown-headed cowbird. Birds make many kinds of nests in many kinds of places. A thrush nightingale, a house finch, a house sparrow, a barn owl, a Canada goose, western bluebirds, or white storks. Birds make nests to keep eggs safe. And that's a bald eagle. And to keep their chicks safe. And that's an American robin. And one day, chicks leave their nests. And this is a wood duck and her ducklings. And this is the common loon. So if you're interested in birds and where they live, read Birds Make Nests.